Hello everyone and welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Today I'm going to be showing you a very simple Matkichi Usal which is made out of sprouted matki, and it's very healthy and very easy to make with very less oil also used in this recipe. Now I have a different type of Matkichi Usal recipe. I'll leave the link to that below, but this is a little bit of a twist and it tastes super delicious. So let's just jump straight ahead into today's recipe. So let's see today's delicious Matkichi Usal, which is super simple and easy to make. Now here I've taken half a cup of matki, washed it thrice under water and soaked it in 1.5 cup of water for at least 8 to 10 hours. Now after 8 to 10 hours, I've drained out all the water and again covered and kept it for another 8 to 10 hours. And then you will see that it has sprouted. So now our matki is all ready to be used for making our usal. And I'll leave a link to some other matki recipes that I have also in the description box as well as the comment section below. So let's start with the recipe. So here I've taken a pan, I put it on a low heat and I've added 1 teaspoon of oil. Once the oil the oil is hot, I added half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Then I added some 5 curry leaves which I chopped up fine. Let the curry leaves also flavor the oil well so that it fry in the oil along with the mustard and the cumin seeds or jeera. Next I took 2 cloves of garlic, chopped it fine, and I'm going to add that. So I have another Matkichi Usal, I'll leave a recipe for that too. Now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of asafoetida and half a teaspoon of turmeric. Then I'm also going to add half a teaspoon of kanda lasoon masala. Now this is optional. If you get your hands on this masala, you can add it. Otherwise, you can skip it. And now I'm just going to add our sprouted matki. And now mix all of this really well together. This is very important for the recipe. We're not going to be adding any water to this recipe at all. And the other Matkichi Usal recipe that I have that doesn't have any lasoon or anything in it. It's a very simple recipe. But this is a little bit different and it tastes delicious. So now mix everything really well so that all of the oil that is flavored gets mixed with the matki really well. And now we're going to cover and cook this for half a minute on a low to medium flame. Again, take out the lid. You'll see that a little bit of water is there on the lid. Add the water to the matki. So we're not adding any additional water. We're just adding the water or the steam that is there when we're cooking the matki. So repeat this process twice. In Marathi, it is called wafona. So we're basically steaming this. Now I'm going to flavor it with some salt to taste. Mix it the salt in well. Next I'm going to add half a teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of homemade goda masala or kala masala. I'll leave a link to how I prepare my kala masala and goda masala down in the description box below. And I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of grated gur or jaggery. And now mix everything really well together. Now this bhaji is a little bit, as we call it, sursurit. That is a little crispy kind of bhaji. So now just cook this on a low to medium heat for another 1 minute, stirring in between and covering it and cooking it. And just, keep moving it around in the spoon around in the dish. And then you're just going to add 1 tablespoon of coriander. Mix the coriander in well. And turn off your heat. And your Matkichi Usal is all ready. So I hope you like this recipe, guys. Do try it out. So I hope you give this recipe a try and also look at all the other recipes that I have in my description box below as well as the comment section. Lots of recipes to prepare, for everyday meals which are healthy, which have less oil. So if you like today's video, then don't forget to give this video a big like by hitting the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. Also go and check out my channel. I have more than 800 recipes. Go to my homepage, Akshata's Recipes, and there I have playlist. Click on that. You can go to all the different categories of recipes that I have made. And also if you're looking for a particular recipe, so just type the recipe and type Akshata's Recipes at the side, and you will get my recipe. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you soon in my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Take care. Bye.